guys, welcome back to Fastback Life. I'm TK. So we're gonna be working on the Toronado again. If you watched the last video, it was new spark plug wires, new spark plugs. I changed the oil, new oil filter, and I tried to get it to spin again. Had a little bit of trouble. Finally got it to spin, but didn't start. And I thought that maybe the distributor cap was a problem because I wasn't sure if I was getting any spark. Well, I took the distributor cap apart, took it off. I cleaned the contacts inside. I cleaned the points. I took some sandpaper and kind of rubbed in between the points, and put everything back together. And then I also got this little device here. Plug on the top of a spark plug, and then that gets, from the spark plug wire, and then the little light in there lets me know whether or not I get spark. So I did that, and I did get spark. So the light was going off, so I knew that was good. I did my oil change, so everything should be, lubed up on the inside. I did crank it a couple times with the spark plugs out to kind of blow some crap out of there. But it's my son's birthday, and he comes up to me and he asks me, he's like, "Hey Dad, what if we get that thing running on my birthday?" And I'm like, "Yeah, you know what, it's been sitting for how many years, it's kind of rough, so we'll see what happens." But I did get a big battery here, a little too big for the car, but I got it super cheap, so I went with it. It should have more than enough cranking amps to crank this thing over quite a few times. I took care of the issue with the gas spitting out on the side. I cut the fuel lines. I let it slowly drain out, and I got a 5-gallon tank full of just dirty gas. So it no longer spits out of there, and it's no longer trying to suck in dirty gas into the carb. So that's taken care of. Now it's just clean up a couple stuff, and hopefully we'll get a video today of the car trying to chug over. We're just going to be dumping fuel down the carb. I'm kind of worried that maybe that carb won't do it, but we'll see. I'm thinking I might need to get that thing rebuilt. It's been sitting for 16 years. Carbs are finicky and blah, blah, blah. So probably need to get that carb rebuilt. But I think I have spark. Pretty sure I have spark. Just dump some fuel down the carb and see if we can get it to fire up a little bit. I got a feeling it's probably going to fart and spit a bunch of times. There's probably still a bunch of crap in it. Like I said, when I cranked it over with the spark plugs out, I can see stuff flying out. So, it's all oiled up, should be good to go. So we'll see if we can get a little video here of it starting over. I think my son's gonna try and start it, so we'll see what he does. But that's the plan. So here we go. Enjoy. All right, so open her up, bud. Push the button. There. There's the keys. Do the lights come on?
Yeah.
Lights are on? Awesome.
Really? The lights are inside the car?
Yep. Look down by the floorboard here. The lights are on? Can you see or no? Down here.
Oh, yeah. Real light, yeah.
Yep.
And then I can go.
I'll let you know.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, it does. It stinks. I'll give you that. Give her a try, bud. And pump the pedal too. Pump the pedal. There you go.
Don't they call that spitting and farting?
Okay, so you're doing really good.
Yeah, he is.
So keep pumping like that, and then when it sounds like it wants to run, I think just hold the gas
He's
down.
off.
Okay, so that's gonna let a bunch of air and the rest of the fuel in to get it kind of running. All right, so nothing's gonna happen to you. Okay.
No, don't be
But-
scared. Nothing
Yep.
happened to you.
Okay. So when you think it feels like it's like running, then let off the key and hold open the gas. Okay. Sound good? All right. So hold on a minute.
You need the gas open yet.
Yes, he is. All right, give her a try, bud.
Keep on turning at the pump.
Gas, gas. Ooh. You got to keep on the key though. Just keep it all the time. Okay?
Put a little more gas in it, maybe, yeah. You're doing the right job, though. You're doing a good job.
Put a little bit more in.
Yeah, I would.
Hold it, but okay.
Nothing's really gonna happen. Just blow the car up, that's all.
All right. Keep her cranked. Keep pumping. When it sounds like it's running, hold the gas wide open.
And keep the key on.
Keep the key on. Yep. Oh man, so close. Come on, keep going. All right, hold it.
That sounds nice.
Hold it, bud.
Who's that?
It's Brett. All right,
How's that? Mr. Brett.
crank it. Keep going, keep going. Oh man, so close, so close. Keep the gas, keep the gas. Yeah, come on. Okay, hold on, we're gonna put some
That
more
was
gas.
close. That was close.
That was super close.
That was super close. She was.
Was that cool or what, bud? Yeah, right? Okay.
I can smell it in the back of the muffler. It's smoking out of the muffler right now.
Well, it better be.
And
All
it's
right.
smoking out the one.
That's all right.
That's all right.
She'll blow out eventually. Keep her cranked. Keep
Hey,
pumping.
You need to have her let your leg rest a minute. Yeah, he's been pumping pretty hard in there, you know.
Your leg a little tired? Okay.
Yeah.
We can chill for a bit.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
You doing it with your left? Are you ready? Go ahead. Give her. Hold the gas. Hold it. Yeah. Come on. Come on.
It's so close. There we go. Yeah, there we go.
Oh,
That was.
I see flames coming out of the muffler.
that's all right.
How are you doing?
I'm okay.
You ready? Try it again.
Boy, that was close.
So close.
Yeah.
Keep pumping.
Get that kicker. just cannot do it on its own 100%.
Still
Okay.
A lot of stuff coming out of the muffler.
Yeah, it's probably a bunch of mice beds.
There's mice in there. There's mice beds in there. Yeah. Yeah. That's a blew up before.
Yeah, tool.
I mean, that was
Need more gas?
95%
Do you want me to hop in there now? You got it? Okay.
He wants to be in there when the car starts.
I know he does. Yeah.
American muscle.
I'll tell you that. That car was 95% going.
I know. It was so close. Are you ready? Let's do this. Crank it. Keep the key going and just keep pumping. Like I said, if it starts to run, hold it down. Come on. Come on. You're doing it. You're doing it.
Ah, dang.
Throw a little bit more gas. You ready? Okay.
You need a break? Yeah, he's fired up. You don't need a break.
Yeah,
I
he's
know.
gonna need a shower from sitting all that rap.
Yeah, that's all right.
And the exhaust.
I'm a bad mom.
Okay. Try it again, bud.
That's the ball. There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's still got a bunch of crap in it trying to clean out. Awesome, bud! How cool was that?
He's got it.
Woo!
Thank God the mufflers in the back didn't start on fire.
That's
Did I
all right.
actually start it?
Yeah,
Did I
bud, you
actually
had
start
it running, man.
Oh God.
NGU. What does that mean?
Oh,
NGU. Never
Oh.
give up.
whew.
Did I actually do that?
That was
I
awesome.
let go of the key and it kept on like going.
It did go without,
Yep.
without the key.
Yep, because as soon as you have it turned all the way, you're good. It's gonna be sucking in fuel and air. So you want to try it again?
Yeah.
I'm thinking that hopefully that kind of cleaned everything out.
That would help.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I go try it again?
Boy, look at this fancy thing, eh?
Yep.
Had
Pop
the
up
fancy-
headlights.
Holy Christ.
Yep. Sit in it. Let me know when you're ready. I'll put a little bit more gas in.
That working
Did
tonight?
Did Alicia have all her like masks on and her helmets and stuff?
All right, give her a try.
No, she's not.
She'll start this time.
The battery's tired. Oh.
Give her a bumping.
Keep it pumping.
Keep that key on.
That's it. There's no more fuel.
That's be satisfied with that.
Yeah.
Be satisfied with it. Ran out of fuel.
Yeah. Now we need fuel line.
Yeah, you need fuel. It ran out of fuel. That's one
Yep.
the reason it stopped.
Awesome,
That's why
bud.
it's
I can see it dripping.
Give me 5.
Is it still dripping?
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me take a look.
It was pouring out of there when you had the engine going.
Okay. Well, most of it's out. I did that earlier. Just let it drain. I've got like 5 gallons of nasty fuel, but it still burns. But I think we need a fuel line. Hook it up to like a little fuel tank and see if it runs. But that's
On its
good.
own.
Yeah, on its own by sucking in fuel. So that's awesome. How cool is that, bud? Awesome. Yeah, on your birthday, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that is awesome. All right. All right, guys. So we got that thing to fire up. It was amazing. Man, I didn't I was really worried that it maybe wouldn't, but we got it. And my son, he's sitting inside, pumping it and turning the key, and he got out of the car with the biggest smile on his face. It was nuts. So he got the car started on his birthday. Man, super excited to work on this more. Like I said, I think we have to get that carburetor rebuilt. That's probably the best bet. I think it's like $300 ish for a new one. So if I can get one rebuilt for like $100 or something, whatever, that'd be sweet. Yeah, we got it running. My son's super excited. Everyone's gone now. You could see a bunch of people yelling, yeah, when we finally got it started. So it was a crazy time. But yeah, son's super excited. So that's gonna be it. Just really wanted to get this thing to fire over, and I had that coil on there. I don't know if the new coil did it or not. Cleaned up the rotor and dumped some fuel down, and she fired right up. I was right, it was spitting quite a bit, just crap coming out everywhere, but we did it. Super excited. Still got a long ways to go though. So please like and subscribe. I've got more work to do on this car. Leave any comments down below. Let me know what you think. I'm not perfect at doing this stuff. So if there's stuff that doesn't look right to you, I'm just working with what I've got. So I guess I'm just gonna have to wait until I get that carb rebuilt, and then hook up the fuel lines, and maybe that'll be the thing that does it. But stay tuned, because I've got a lot more coming. So thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.